Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, hearing from the Prime Minister words like the Humiliation Act, the Surrender Act, the Capitulation Act, all of these words are suggesting that we, because we disagree with him, we are traitors. We are not patriots. Nothing could be further from the truth. Now, this may be a strategy to set the people against the establishment. I would like to gently suggest he is the establishment and we are still people. As the woman who has taken over a seat that was left by our dear friend Jo Cox, can I ask him, in all honesty, as a human being, please, will he, going forward, moderate his language so that we will all feel secure when we're going about our jobs?
Can I say that the sure is far away? Well, no, Mr. Speaker, I think of course there will be an attempt to try to obfuscate the effect of this Act. But it does, the Capitulation Act or the Surrender Act or whatever you want to call it, it does, I'm sorry, but it greatly enfeebles its government's ability to negotiate. But what I will say is that the best way to honour the memory of Jo Cox, and indeed the best way to bring this country together, would be, I think, to get Brexit